Hey viewers, welcome to my health. It will be no wrong to say that potato chips are amongst the most selling products worldwide. It is by far one of the best flourishing businesses. In 2005, potato chips industry made about $16.49 billion, which has now increased many folds. Keeping in mind the massive consumptions of these chips, do we ever wonder that are these potato chips beneficial or harmless to us? Let's see. Potato chips according to my health perspective. Although crispy chips provide us a temporary pleasure and we feel good while having them. But do you know that this short-time pleasure may predispose us to some serious consequences? Number 1. Salt sprinkled over these chips may cause high blood pressure. Sodium present in the salt may cause water retention in our body, which will cause weight gain as well. Number 2. Oil in which chips are fried may also cause weight gain and type 2 diabetes mellitus. Number 3. Eating too many chips is like taking empty calories, which means calories with no nutritive values. Number 4. Consuming saturated fats in the form of oil which is being used for frying raise our body cholesterol level, which results in serious heart blood vessels problems. Number 5. Acrylamide, which is produced at high temperatures during frying or baking of chips, is a carcinogenic cancer-causing chemical. Number 6. Olestra, another chemical found in some types of chips, may cause diarrhea and vomitings. Number 7. If preservatives are added or when low quality or a non-food grade oil is used for frying, they may also cause severe harm to our health. That's it for now viewers. We hope that you are enjoying and learning from our content. Please give your feedback and recommendation in the comment section. Also appreciate our efforts by liking the video. See you with a newer interesting topic soon. Until then, take care.